Dear children, so welcome to the session. The lesson we are going to discuss, that is acids, bases in salts. And last class we discussed about the alkali. So what is meant by alkali? The bases which are dissolved in water is known as alkali. So for example, sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water. So what is the formula for sodium hydroxide? NaOH. And potassium hydroxide, KOH, is dissolved in water. So these are all, we can tell it as alkali. So we can conclude it with all alkali are called as bases, but all bases are not called as alkali, because some bases will not dissolve in water. So that bases we can't able to tell it as alkali. So we can conclude it with all alkali are called as bases, but all bases are not called as alkali. And next is dilution. So what is meant by dilution? So dilution means we have to add some amount of water. So in acids or bases, that is known as dilution. We have to decrease the concentration. So the process of mixing an acid or bases with water. So we have to add water on acids or bases to decrease the concentration of ions. So decrease the concentration of ions. So H3O plus means hydronium ions, acidic, acid. And OH minus means hydroxide ions. So dilution means we have to add water in acids or bases to decrease the concentration of ions. Next is, how is the concentration of hydronium ions affected when a solution of an acid is diluted? When an acid is diluted, the concentration of hydronium ions, that is H3O plus per unit volume, decreases. This means that the strength of the acid decreases. So if we take the concentrated sulfuric acid, so in that, when we diluted the concentrated sulfuric acid, means we have to add water. If we add water, so what happens? The hydronium ions, that is H3O plus ions, its volume, the hydronium ions per unit volume, it will be decrease. So from that, the concentration is decreases. So the hydronium ions is affected. So when we add water, so what is the reason? The concentrations of the acid is decreases. The hydronium ions per unit volume is decreases. Next is, how is the concentration of hydroxide ions affected when excess base is dissolved in a solution of sodium hydroxide? So what is the reason? Because the concentration of hydroxide ion would increase when excess base is dissolved in a solution of sodium hydroxide. So when we add sodium hydroxide, means the OH minus ions, the concentration of OH minus ions it will be increases. So the solution of sodium hydroxide, it will get more concentrated. Universal indicator. An indicator which shows different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution is called universal indicator. So it will shows different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions. That is known as universal indicator. And next we see the pH scale. So what is meant by pH? So pH, power of hydrogen ions, power of H plus ions, or we can tell it as potential dependence of hydrogen ions. So pH means power of hydrogen ions or potential dependence of hydrogen ions. So the scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. The pH scale is used to measure the hydrogen ion concentration. So this is the pH scale. The pH scale, it will be 0 to 14. 0 to 14. If the pH scale, the solution, it will be around 0 to 6.9 means it will be acidic. If it is less than 7, if the pH is less than 7 means we can tell it as it is acidic in nature. If the pH is 7, we can tell it as neutral. If the pH is greater than 7, if the pH is greater than 7 means we can tell it as base. So acidic means less than 7, basic means greater than 7, and 7 that indicates neutral. So here we can see some pH scale of some substance. So the first is saliva. So before meal means before we take food. The color of the pH paper, it will be light green. So light green. So light green means it's 7.4. So 7.4 means it's basic in nature. And saliva after meal. So after meal, the color of the pH paper, it will be pale yellow. So what is the reason the saliva after meal it will turns to pale yellow? Because the pH value is 5.8 and it's acidic nature. What is the reason? When we take food, so in that food some acidic nature foods are there. So when we take food, so in that food tomato is there. So tomato, it contains tartaric acid is there, and lemon, citric acid is there. So there are various acids are there. So that is the reason when the saliva after when we take the food, it will turns to acidic nature, because in our food the acidic nature is there. And next is lemon juice. So lemon juice, so what type of acid is there in lemon juice? Yes, citric acid. So the pH paper, the color it will be pink red. the pH value it will be 2.5. So 2.5 means what is the nature of the substance? Yes, it's acidic nature. And next is colorless aerated drinks. So colorless aerated drinks means soft drinks. So paneer soda. So that the color of the pH paper it will be pale yellow and the pH value it will be 6. So 6 means it's acidic nature. And next is carrot juice. So carrot juice. So the pH color of the pH paper it will be light orange. So light orange means the pH value it will be 4. And the nature of the substance is acidic. And next is tomato juice. So tomato juice. So in tomato juice what acid is there? Yes, tartaric acid. So the color of the pH paper it will be dark orange. And the pH value it will be 4.1. And the nature of the substance is acidic. And next, tap water. So tap water, the color of the pH paper is green. So green means it's the pH value is 7. So 7 means it's neutral. And 1 molarity of sodium hydroxide. So capital M indicates molarity. 1 molarity of sodium hydroxide. So the color of the pH paper is dark blue or violet. Dark blue, violet. So the pH value. So dark blue, violet means the pH value is 14. So 14 means it's basic. And next is 1 molarity HCl. 1 molarity HCl. That is hydrochloric acid. So the color of the pH paper is red. So red means the pH value it will be 1. So 1. So the nature of the substance is acidic character. So the pH value is determined by this color only. If it is less than 7, it's acidic. 7, it's neutral. And greater than 7, it's basic in nature. Okay children, see you on next session. Thank you.